collection of dried, preserved red roses and a pinkish or old rose color, and this is preserved by using the hair spray net. If you have fresh flowers, just spray it before it becomes dry so that you can preserve it and it will look like this when it is already dry. So just use a spray net because the spray net has chemicals to keep your flowers to keep long lasting. So I hope you learned to this tutorial on how to preserve your fresh flowers, and you can use it in any other occasion, and you can display it as a table centerpiece. When it comes dried, it looks like this, and now it serves as a Lenten flower table centerpiece for your home. So don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so that you will learn how to preserve flowers, how to recycle waste material and create a beautiful, unique project. Thanks for watching, and see you again in my next tutorial. Thank you for all your support, for keep watching on my YouTube channel, and I wish everyone a peaceful and blessed Lenten season. The base is made of a jar and filled with a real coffee beans, and the ribbon is a cotton thread just wrapped around the body of the base. So this is a very unique and simple Lenten season flower arrangement table centerpiece.